Support structures in 3D printing are crucial for achieving complex designs and high-quality prints. These temporary scaffolds provide necessary backing for overhanging parts, preventing sagging or collapse during the printing process. By using supports, you can create intricate geometries that would be impossible with simple printing alone. They enable better adhesion and reduce warping, ensuring dimensional accuracy. Supports are typically generated automatically by slicing software, but can also be customized for specific needs. After printing, these structures are removed, leaving the intended design intact. Utilizing support structures effectively can drastically improve the success rate and quality of your 3D printed projects.